finally getting around to planting some of the containers in my front yard, and I wanted to share a few tricks I've learned over the years. When you pick the different flowers that you want to plant, you need to first make sure you know about what type of sun they like. 6 hours of sun means they're in full sun. 3 to 6 hours means that's part shade. And if your container is in 3 hours or less of sunshine every day, that means you need all shady plants. The next thing I want you to look for is the color palette that you choose. Last year's color for me was yellow, white, and blue. This year, it's yellow and pink. Yellow's my favorite, so that's always going to be a color. So now what you want to do is try to pick different flowers or different types of texture to go into your container, even before you start planting. You can see this yellow flower is about 1 inch in diameter. That's about the good size for the tallest plant in my container. Our petunias, the bigger ones, the full petunia, about 2 inches in diameter. And of course I have a few little nasturtium in the front. The foliage is beautiful and those flowers a little less than 1 inch by the time they're fully grown. Now that we've got different sizes of flowers, we need to think about a little bit of texture. In this container, one of the colors that's added in is lime green. So a different texture will be this sweet potato vine. This one needs a little water. Or you could even find a ground cover like this is sedum. This can go in my garden after it's done in the container and it'll look beautiful. This little lime green sedum, it'll spill out all around. Or if you're looking for something that's a little different focal point at the top, is what I usually do, some kind of a funky grass. The first thing you need, how much sunlight will this container be in? Part sun or shade. Second, pick a palette and stick with it. 2 or 3 different colors that match and keep those colors going through all of your containers in your garden. Third, pick different sizes of flowers, not all of the same, some small, some large. And last, think about some really cool texture, a little surprise in each one of your containers. I'm Kelly Heidbreder. Get out there, get growing.